everyone. My name is Cihangir, but my friend called me Chicho. I'm 9 years old, and today I want to share you with how drama changed my life. When I was small, I loved watching plays and movies. So when I got into drama classes, I was thrilled. But I was little bit did I know, those classes all need me on a whole new adventure. As I learning that, I discovered a hidden talent. I love creating stories. Drama sparked my passion for writing. Now, I'm not just any writer, I'm a storyteller. With every character I create, every plot twist I dream up, and I feel like I'm living 1,000 lives at once. But there's a one story, and that story is especially close to my heart. And that story about stress. Stress is something we all deal with, even as kids. But instead of letting weigh me down, I decided to turn something positive. Through my writing, I'm exploring what stress means and how they can conquer it together. Drama isn't just about acting, it's about expressing yourself and being creative. But I will explain you how drama it is. And drama it is essential for education. So the all kids out over there, embrace your creativity. Embrace your creativity. Who knows where it might lead you? Thank you for listening to my story. Remember, no matter how you are old, it's never too late to start your own adventure. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and never stop believing the magic of drama.